guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to be doing the infill on my left hand. So you see there I've just used the Naio Nails Dehydrator and Acid Primer. I'm just going to apply that to where my regrowth is. Now I'm using this Mobray Polygel, which is dark nude colour. It's a really nice nail bed colour this is, I love it. So I've left this infill in real time guys, so you can see how quick and easy it is to do. Now when I'm doing an infill, I try and get the cuticle done first. I try and get that as neat as I can and as close to the cuticle as I can. And then I'll start working on the side, because you want to make sure that you get enough product in that side. You see this bit here? You want to make sure that you fill that gap, or else you're going to have weak points in the nail. So make sure you fill all those gaps in. And then I'll do the other side. And then once I'm happy with that, I shall just blend it in with the rest of the old Polygel. Now, it didn't really matter if some of that nude went onto the white, because I'm going to be going in and doing a redesign with gel polish anyway. But I was trying to keep it off the white as much as I can, in case I did want to maybe file off the gel polish and go back to a French set again. But if you do find yourself going over that white, it don't really matter anyway, because you're going to file these, so you can just file that off. So you see every time my hand goes out of shot, like just there, that's where my brush is getting sticky and it's sticking to the Polygel. So all I'm doing is dipping it in some isopropyl alcohol and then draining the excess liquid off, and then going back in to manoeuvre that Polygel. That isopropyl alcohol, all that is to do is stop your brush sticking to your Polygel. So you don't want your brush to be saturated. You want to drain most of that liquid out before going back in and moving that Polygel. Now all I'm going to do is blend that into that old Polygel, get it as smooth as I can, because the smoother you get this, the less filing you've got to do. So try and get it as smooth as you can. Then I'm going to flash cure it in the lamp for 10 seconds, and that'll just hold it in place. You don't need to fully cure each nail as you go, because you can just flash cure it, it'll hold it all in place, and then once you've done all 4 nails, or 5, I suppose you could do your thumb as well, but I usually do 4 and then do my thumb separately. And then just give them a full cure once you've done all of them. Right guys, I'm going to let you get on and watch this bit, and I'm going to pop some music on, and I shall come back in when we come to filing.
I can't do nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Feel better if I say the songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how with everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your songs alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So that's all 5 nails infilled and fully cured, and now I'm just taking an alcohol wipe and removing that tacky layer from the polygel. And now I'm just going to show you me filing a couple of nails because I don't want this to get too repetitive and I don't want the video to get too long either. So when I'm doing a filing routine, I usually get my sidewalls straight first, and then I get the free edge nice and crisp. And then I shall go around the cuticle area. Now there's not a lot of filing to do in an infill, to be honest. You just want to make sure that cuticle area is nice and flush. And then just skip over the top of the nail and make sure it's all smooth. And you want to just keep checking the nail from different angles to make sure you've got it all even. And that is pretty much it when it comes to filing an infill. It's so quick and easy. And there we go, that's the infill all done. And I've just washed my hands to get rid of any dust. Now I'm using this Aimeili 007, which is their black gel polish. Now you don't need to see me applying gel polish, guys. I've just left one nail in, but I did do 2 coats of this black gel polish. And especially with black, you want to do nice thin layers so it doesn't wrinkle in the lamp. So they've all now had 2 coats, they're fully cured. So now I'm using this Lemooc matte top coat, and I'm going to be doing some artwork on these nails. So like I always say in my videos, you can't beat doing artwork on a matte surface. So I'm going to apply that to all the nails, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm using the Rosalind white gel paint, and I'm using this long liner brush. Now I've never used this liner brush before, it's a new one, so I thought I'd give it a try, but I got on really well with it. Considering I've never used it before, I was really happy with it. If you're interested in buying these, guys, I think it was my last Aliexpress haul. If it wasn't my last one, it was the one before, and I bought a pack of 3 off Aliexpress for £1 something. It was less than £2 anyway, and you know what? These are really good liner brushes. Well, you'll see in this video how well they work. Now these stripes are going to be the Jamaican colours, but because I wanted to do them over black, you wouldn't be able to see the colours, so I thought I'll go in and do the white first, and then I can go over the white with the colours and it'll make them more brighter. Now I'm happy with them lines. I'm just going to flash cure it for 10 seconds just to hold it in place in case I knock it or anything. So now I'm going to be doing 3 lines going across the end of this nail. And I'm going to do the same on the thumbnail as well. Then I shall pop them in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. This is PVOY 041, which is a yellow. Coscelia 05, which is red. And this green is the Venalisa 1614 gel paint. So I'm going to be applying a couple of drops of each colour onto my palette, and then I'm just going to be using that liner brush again and going over them white lines with the Jamaican colours. And you can see there, guys, you know, because I put that white down first, you can see how much brighter those colours are. So that's the coloured stripes all done. I'm going to cure them for 60 seconds. And then on the thumb, I'm applying this green holographic cannabis leaf sticker, which Aggie sent me. She sent me a few different colours, so I thought I'd go with the green one. It's a really, really pretty green. So that's that stuck down. And now I'm going in with the Lemooc matte top coat again. And I'm just going to do a coat of that on each of the nails, and that'll seal that sticker in and all that artwork. You'll see there I've pulled out 3 gems, and I'm just going to stick them into the matte top coat because I wasn't planning on keeping these nails on very long. And then I'll cure them for 30 seconds, and that's them all done, guys. I really hope you like them. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way you will never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.